Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this 2021 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 369BL. We'll go ahead and start off on the front of the unit. As you can see, you do have a nice large pass-through storage space. Over here, you've got a little bit of an outdoor kitchenette, so you've got some storage here. And then it does also have an Everchill cube refrigerator. You've got two large awnings. They're both lighted and run off your battery. Go ahead and take a look inside. We're going to start off up front in the bedroom. Nice long hallway. So as you can see right here, you do have a dresser. Your bed is on the slide, which offers quite a bit of walk space here. In your closet, you've got a washer and dryer hookup. Great place to hang your clothes. A couple of coat hooks. Take a look at the other side of this. And over here, more closet space, along with great place to store some shoes or bags or really anything that you need to store in there. Right outside of your bedroom, your main bedroom, is your bathrooms. Of course, you got your toilet, quite a bit of storage, nice large residential shower. It does have a skylight overhead, which offers some more headroom in there. Place to sit and relax. And your vanity and medicine cabinet. Right outside of your bedroom, there is a lofted bunk with ladder access. And this ladder will just pick it up, fold it in, and it's out of your way. Down here in your bedroom, which I'm running out of daylight, but you do have a couch here. And this couch will fold out into a bed. You've also got the upper bunk. And then over here, you've got a nice large mirrored closet, along with a couple of drawers and a desk. In your main living space, you do have opposing slide, which offers the ability to have this island. On your main living slide, you do have your dinette. You've got this beautiful tabletop. This right here is an extension. If you, let me remember how to do this one. I don't remember how to do this one. I'll have to look into that. But you do have storage in the seats, along with some storage in the bench. Over here, you've got the Thomas Paine recliner set, ultra comfortable, and the cup holders do light up when you've got a battery in it. And then you've got some storage in the center console. On your back wall, you've got another couch. This couch does fold out into a bed. You've got a couple of side tables on each side, along with USB ports and outlets. Got some storage up top. Even got a ceiling fan in here. And yes, the slides will clear the ceiling fan. As you can see, this unit does have a barreled roof, which means that it is curved, which offers a little more height inside. In your kitchen, again, like I said, you do have the island. You've got a large single basin sink with this drying rack here. You can use that for a drying rack or place to stack things. It is pretty sturdy. It does have a pull-down sprayer. And then you've got some more storage down here. Before I get to the stove and stuff, here's your entertainment center. All of this is on your kitchen slide. So you've got your TV, radio, some cabinetry, and your Greystone 32-inch fireplace. Next to your stove, you got some drawers. It is a 3-burner Furrion stovetop and oven, and it does have a matching drawer below it, which is a great place to store your pots and pans. You've got the gray subway tile herringbone backsplash, Furrion microwave, and this gorgeous Furrion refrigerator. get it opened all the way up. So the top is your refrigerator. You've got the wood shelves on the left side. And on the bottom is your freezer. And what's great about the freezer is that you do have these drawers. And that means that you don't have to reach all the way in the back to get to the food. So you don't have to get down on the floor and try to find what you're looking for. Right off of your refrigerator is your pantry. This thing is huge. So you've got some shelves here. You've got this gorgeous frosted window, which is absolutely beautiful when the light is on inside and the door is closed. Speaking of the light, you can have it set to where it's on all the time, off all the time, or automatically turns on when you open the doors. And down here, you do have a drawer, which it would be a great place to store things like seasoning packets or small items that are difficult to store in a cabinet. Right outside of your pantry, you've got all of your controls along with a coat hook. If you'd like to see this unit in person, come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.